Welcome to this short video about CleanPatch and its contribution to green healthcare. With up to 8% of national carbon emissions being attributable to the healthcare sector alone, it is critical for healthcare advocates to demand action and implement sustainable options into their clinical practice. One way in which healthcare professionals can do this is by choosing repair over replacement when medical equipment is damaged. Repair not only reduces the cost of buying new equipment, but also reduces waste. For example, when dealing with hospital mattresses, a ripped mattress is an infection risk, so the entire mattress must be sent to the landfill. However, in about 80% of cases, the surface can be repaired instead. Introducing CleanPatch and surface repair into your healthcare facility is an easy step towards a circular economy without risking patient safety. To learn more, visit our website at cleanpatch.ca or reach out to your local CleanPatch distributor.